Good morning, everyone. In this tutorial, this is Nia Muda. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to do a software boss mockup using your smartphone. So let's go right to Photopea. Okay, so this Photopea. Now I'm going to assume that you have already done your design. Okay, so go over to here, file, click on open, and then click on the file, and we'll go over to locate your software boss wherever you have downloaded it. So mine is here, software boss. Okay, so click on software and get the boss. This is the app. All right, so now we're going to allow it to load. So the loading time or the duration depends on your network. So if you have a very good network, probably it's going to load faster. So this is it. This is the mockup. This is a software boss mockup. It's a free software boss mockup. Now this is how we're going to edit it. So like I said, I'm assuming that you have already done your design. So if you have not done your design, this is what you are going to do. You're going to click on layer. All right, you're going to look at the three side. So we have the top, we have the left, and we have the front side. So you're going to go to the top and you're going to double click this boss there, and you click on this guy again. This is the top. Okay, this is the top design. You're going to go to image and you're going to go over to image size so that you can get the size. This is the size for the top. So the top design is going to be 1122 pixel by the height is going to be 354 pixel. So you have copied that out and then you go over to your design software, whether it's Canva or PixelLab or Photoshop or CorelDRAW, and you do your design. Prepare it. The top view is going to be this size. All right, then for the I'm sorry, let me close this. Okay, so for the other side, which is the left side, you do the same thing. So you will just double click the boss close to it there, and then click the layer again, and then go over to image size and go to image size. Then you see the image size. Now for the left corner, the left side is 354 by 1476. So you get the sizes first. After you have gotten the sizes, then you can go over to how where you are going to edit them. So let's start now. So I'm going to be importing my designs that I've already done. So let's start. So I'm going to go over to, let me start with the front. This is the front design. I'll click on this and double click this. Now it will open for me. So when it opens, I'll just click the eye icon. So that icon will make it to the design to vanish, leaving just this transparent background. So now I'm going to go over to the file. I'll click on open and place. Now you will now locate your design. Now mine is in PixelLab, so I have to locate that particular design. I go to PixelLab and then I'll search for it. Okay, I'll search for it. Okay, I think it's here. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, this is my front. This is the front. This is the front. So I've clicked on the design for the front and it's going to load because I took the exact measurement. It's going to fit in. All right, so this is it. It has fit in properly. Now once it has fit in, what you're going to do now is to click on file again and then click on what is it, save smart object right there. So once you click that, just wait, don't click it twice, click it once and allow your network to load. So it has loaded, smart object updated. So now this is updated. Now if you go back to your design, the initial design, you're going to see it there. Are you seeing it? So let me zoom in for you. This is it. Are you seeing it now? Okay, now let's go and get the other ones. So we can go over to this. We'll go to the left side, double click. This is the left side design. Take out the design that was there. Now let's go over again to PixelLab, open and place. So it will take me directly to PixelLab now. So all I have to do is to search it. So you need to know where you save your design. So this is Okay, let me get it now. Which one is, I think this is it. This is the side. All right, because I've taken the measurement, it's just going to fall in directly. I've already done my design. Remember, I'm assuming that you have done your design. So go to save again, smart, save smart objects. So it's saved. It's saved now. Let's go back to this original design mockup. Are you seeing now? You can see that this one just fixed in now. Very good. Now the last one is the top. The top design is this guy here. So we'll click on the eye icon to disappear it, and then we'll look for, go to open and place. As usual, we'll go to where you save your design. Mine was saved in PixelLab, so I'll go to PixelLab and I will look for the design. This is it. This is the top design, and it's going to fit in properly because I have already taken the measurements before I started my design. So click on that and save as smart object. All right, it's loading. So it's loaded. So now you see that our design is ready. Are you seeing it? This is the mockup. You can see. So this is our mockup. Very clean. Then if you want to remove the background and allow it to come on its own, all you have to do is to click on this guy here. You go to where you have background, just click on this is the background, just click on it like this. It will hide the whole background, or you can take this guy out too. All right, you can see now. All right, if you want to remove that shadow, if you want to remove the shadow so that your design will just come on its own, so you go to where you have, I think, mockup. All right, so, oh sorry, so not there. So go to where we have the background, and we'll see, I think we'll see shadow. Where is it? Okay, click on the mockup, look for shadow. This is it, shadow. Are you seeing it here? This guy here, shadow. So click it to, all right, this is it. So this is your mockup now. So you can download it like this without background, so that you can use it for your you can do your design with it. So to save it without background like this, just your mockup. All right, just your mockup. To save it, you just go over to file and you go to export as. So just click on export as. So you can export as image and JPEG, PNG, SVG, PDF, and GIF, and even more. There are more options. You can see there are more options here you can save the stuff with. So but then I want to save as PNG so that it goes without background. So all I have to do is to click on it, PNG, and then you see that it's downloading already. You get, so it's very easy. Click on file, go to save as, click on PNG, and allow it to load. Okay, once it loads, you will be shown this dialog box, and you see the format here. You can change it here also. You can change the format that you are saving to. You can change it, and then you can even change the name here. You can change the name here, and the height and everything is here. The quality is 100%, and then you save, and once you save, you download. That is all. I think this is very straightforward, and so this is how you can do your software buzz mockup. So I would attach the sizes to his your design. Thank you very much.